I want to present the new lamp accessory that I will use on my night routes. Lumonite Leader is a headlamp specifically designed for the most demanding needs. Its spot stretches as far as 370 meters and its wide range effortlessly illuminates the nearby terrain as well as the map. The goal was a lightweight and compact device which will deliver an output of more than 5,000 real lumens of uninterrupted light for a minimum of 2 hours. The on-off button has 3 different positions, allowing you to regulate the light intensity you need whenever you want. The lamp is ideal for enduro conditions. It will be the perfect tool for long routes in the mountains without being afraid of nightfall. With this lamp, you will have a clear view of which route is best, and if you compare it with other lamps on the market, Lumonite is definitely the right choice.